Welcome. After installing Windows and necessary software on your laptop or desktop, you can see that C drive is getting full day by day. That is, C drive is getting full gradually due to several temporary files, prefetch, recent activity data, browsing history, etc. If you do not delete all these unnecessary data or files, your PC is getting slow day by day. Therefore, to keep your PC first, you have to do these tasks which I have shown you from time to time. For example, first go to the Run option of Windows, then type temp, then click Enter. Select All and delete all. Again, type %temp, then click Enter. Select All and delete all. Again type prefetch. Then click Enter. Select All and delete all. Then type tree, then click Enter. Then type storage settings in the search option. Then click Open. Then turn storage sense on. Select temporary file and mark the empty cells and click Remove Files. If any option is left, mark it again. Click Remove Files. Type Disk Cleanup in the search option. Then click Run as Administrator. Mark all the blanks. Then click OK. Viewers, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you very much.